Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Divyajyoti Das and this is For the Love of Physics. Today is a very special day because I have a very special announcement for two very special batches that are starting in 1 month in our Elevate Classes platform. I know that many of the students have been waiting for this particular announcement. Many students have been requesting me for these two batches for a very long time. So finally the day is here. And in today's video, I'm going to give you an introduction to these two courses that are going to start at Elevate Classes platform in the coming 1 month. So on June 15th, we are going to start our CSIR-NET and GATE Physical Sciences Masterclass batch. And on July 5th, we are starting the Physics IIT-JAM, JEST, TIFR and M.Sc exams Masterclass second batch. So these two are very special courses, two different beasts altogether, two different category of exams altogether for two very different kinds of students, one in college, the other in post graduation. तो आज मैं आपको इनके बारे में थोड़ा सा information देने जा रहा हूँ. So if you have not yet made up your mind about it, you can get the information today so that if you are interested in these examinations, then maybe you can benefit from these two batches. सबसे पहले we have the CSIR-NET and GATE Physics Masterclass batch जो June 15th को start होने वाला है. This is the December 2023 batch, all right? So basically you have NET examination that happens almost twice a year usually. So abhi yesterday we had our June examination. The next exam is going to probably happen in December. So this particular batch targets these kinds of examination: NET Physical Sciences, GATE Physics, BARC, etc, etc. So if you are in postgraduate physics in Indian universities or IITs and you are interested in, let's suppose, a lecturership position in a college, in becoming an assistant professor in a college, or in getting JRF so that you can get into a PhD program in an Indian university, or you are interested in GATE because you want to do MTech from IIT, or you want to do PhD from IITs, or you want to get a job from various PSUs, then these are the exams that you are probably looking forward to. और ये जो एग्जाम्स है इतने आसान नहीं है, इतना मुश्किल नहीं है, बट इतना आसान भी नहीं है because the syllabus is very vast and quite advanced. The syllabus of these examinations covers almost the entire postgraduate syllabus of physics in Indian universities and also some portion of the undergraduate syllabus. तो हमारा जो ये batch है, this is going to start in June 15. Let me give you some information. This is a live interactive batch. All right, तो यहाँ पे जो classes हैं, they are all live and interactive. That means you are going to attend these classes online via our app or through Zoom, and they are going to be interactive. Interactive का मतलब है that you can speak to the teacher just like you talk to anybody else. It's not like कि आपने कहीं पे chat में कोई सवाल पूछा and then another person responds to that particular question with an answer. No, you can talk to the teachers during the class, after the class, at the beginning of the class or the end of the class, and you can get your doubts cleared. So these are live interactive classes which are going to comprise of more than 600 hours of classes. More than 600 hours of classes, because the syllabus of these particular exams is very huge. If you want to take a look at the syllabus consists of a large number of topics. You have mathematical physics, classical physics, electromagnetic theory, quantum mechanics, thermodynamics, statistical physics, electronics, and then you have the similar topics in the advanced section, condensed matter physics, nuclear physics, and similar in the GATE section also. तो syllabus बहुत ही ज़्यादा vast है. It covers the entire syllabus of postgraduate physics जो आपको पढ़ने के लिए 2 साल लग जाते हैं. And here we are going to have to prepare for these examinations that is going to cover that big of a syllabus. So it's going to take time. It's going to take time to do these topics quite properly. Concept as well as problem solving को properly करने के लिए it's going to take minimum of 600 hours. It can go beyond it. ज़्यादा भी जा सकता है, 650, 700 भी जा सकता है, but minimum इतना tentative हम लेके चल रहे हैं. So therefore these live classes are going to happen over a period of at least 6 months. तो अभी June 15 में start हो रहा है, तो June, July, August, September, October, November, probably December 1st to 2nd week तक 6 months continuously these classes are going to go on. तो इसका मतलब ये है कि एक बार आपने ज्वाइन कर लिया है, the course is going to go in full speed. So you have to be really ready for this kind of a preparation. क्लासेस का थोड़ा सा स्ट्रक्चर मैं बता देता हूँ. मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम व्हेन यू स्टडी दीज टॉपिक्स इन द यूनिवर्सिटी का जो पर्सपेक्टिव है थोड़ा सा अलग रहता है. इट्स वेरी थियोरी बेस्ड. आप वहाँ पे सब्जेक्ट को डिटेल में पढ़ते हैं. देयर आर लॉट ऑफ डेराइवेशंस इन दैट पर्टिकुलर सब्जेक्ट बिकॉज वी आर प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर एग्जामिनेशंस. तो हमारा जो फोकस रहता है इट्स 50% थियोरी, 50% कॉन्सेप्ट and 50% problem solving. Concepts तो जरूरी है ही of course. Therefore we spend around 40 to 50% of the time in the subjects, in studying the subjects, in the principles, in the equations, in the statements, in the understanding the concepts involved in that particular subject itself, and then rest of the time in problem solving, because problem solving is another beast. You know, अगर आपको सारा theory मालूम है, then even then it's very possible that you appear in an examination and you're not able to solve any one of the questions, because problem solving is a completely different beast. You know, I say it's a beast because कोई भी सब्जेक्ट आप ले लीजिए. If you take mechanics, I mean you can know all the concepts in mechanics, but मैं अगर आपको एक सवाल दे दूँ, you won't be able to solve it. I mean, वो सवाल में भी it can be solvable based on conservation of momentum or Newton's second law. आपको conservation momentum बात पता है, Newton's second law पता है, but वो सवाल को solve करना आपको नहीं आता है. And that happens all the time. This is because understanding the concepts and understanding the theory is one thing, and actually solving problems is another thing. So therefore, you have two challenges. University में सिर्फ एक ही challenge होता है, understanding the subject, you know, going through that particular subject and developing the concepts, वो एक challenge है. यहाँ पे there are two challenges. You have to be good at the subject and you have to be good at problem solving. Therefore, we are devoting these many number of hours minimum, out of which probably 40 to 50% will be devoted to concepts and theory, and the rest 50-60% devoted to problem solving, PYQs, assignments, unseen problems, etc. etc. जैसा कि मैंने बताया कि there are large number of topics. We are going to have almost 9 topics here that you need to have a good grasp in. So we are going to have almost 7 to 8 teachers. मैं आपको पढ़ाऊंगा सिर्फ 2 papers, quantum mechanics and classical physics. I'm going to teach you 2 papers. The other papers are going to be taught by other teachers. We have around 7 to 8 teachers in this particular batch. They are extremely good at their own respective subjects and they are extremely qualified. तो वो आपको बाकी सारे papers पढ़ाएंगे. I will be teaching you classical and quantum mechanics. So these are a live interactive classes starting June 15. But इसके साथ आपको बहुत कुछ मिलने वाला है. So let me just give you an idea what you're getting. First of all, you're getting recorded access to all the live classes for a validity of 12 months, which can also be extended as per your requirements. तो recorded access का मतलब क्या है कि every day we are going to have classes, right? And those classes are going to be uploaded to the app every single day, so that if you miss the classes, you can attend those classes one more time. सबसे पहले मैं थोड़ा सा आपको एक टाइम टेबल का आइडिया दे देता हूँ. So let me tell you about the timings of the classes. The timings of the classes are usually in the evening from 5 to 9:30. So 5 to 7 we have one class, and then 7:30 to 9:30 we have another class. These timings are usually suitable for people who are already in university and they only get time in the evening, or people who are working, or even people who have dropped a year or 6 months to prepare for this particular examination. So हमारा जो timing रहता है 5 to 7 and 7:30 to 9:30. So you can see here that 5 to 7 we have one batch of classes, and then 7:30 to 9:30 another batch of classes. तो हमारा जो टाइमिंग रहता है that is usually 5 to 6 days a week. So starting में when the batch is going to start in June 15, for at least a month we are going to have 5 days classes. Because starting में हम थोड़ा सा हम slow चलते हैं, because it's the beginning and you need to build some time in developing the momentum. तो starting में हम इतना push नहीं करते हैं. The first week we are going to have, or first month we are going to have 5 days a week classes, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. उसके बाद we will shift gears. You will have 6 days a week classes. You will have classes in the weekends, in the mornings also. So that is the nature of the timetable that you are going to have. So every day after the classes has happened, let's suppose classes आपके 9:30 खत्म हो जाते हैं, तो probably around 10:30 और 11:30 आपको उसी दिन के क्लासेस के रिकॉर्डिंग्स ऐप में मिल जाएंगे. We have 3 distinct interfaces, like you can access all the live as well as the recorded classes in mobile or tablet or in desktop. So for example, if you have an Android device, you can go to Google Play Store and you can download our app Elevate Classes. फिर आप जैसे ही उसके अंदर जाएंगे, you will see the store section and then you can find all the courses here, एंड उसी दिन आपको उस दिन के जो लेक्चर्स हैं वहाँ पे मिल जाएंगे. सो यू कैन फाइंड ऑल द कंटेंट, ऑल द रिकॉर्डिंग्स ऑफ ऑल द लाइव लेक्चर्स एज वेल एज टेस्ट्स एज वेल एज असाइनमेंट्स इन अ वेरी ऑर्गेनाइज्ड मैनर that is available to you in the app. So for example, आप कोई भी यहाँ पे folder choose कीजिए, कोई भी lecture जो है आप attend करना चाहते हैं किसी भी time पे, you can go to that particular lecture and you can look at that particular lecture.
Ground state configuration, and every single state corresponds to a distinct function. So this is different from this, is different from this.
So you can go through the lectures and these lectures are going to be available to you for 12 months. जब भी आपका मन करे, you can revise those lectures again in the future. Additionally, every day you are also going to get the daily lecture PDF. तो जो भी टीचर ने let's suppose उस दिन पढ़ाया है, the teacher is going to give you access to the PDF lecture notes. So for example, जो class अभी हमने देखा था, if we want to take a look at the PDF, then the PDF is going to be this one. So you will have all these notes organized in a proper way given to you for studying and revising. And you see how beautiful it is? Excellent, isn't it? I mean, what more do you need as a student? I mean, you have so much information, content available to you at your fingertips. हमारे time पे नहीं था. When we were students, we had to travel so far to meet a teacher and attend in the class and make notes. And then 6 महीने बाद भूल भी जाते थे. But today, in the day of the internet, you have access to so many things. I mean, लेक्चर नोट्स अवेलेबल है आपके हाथों में, कभी भी चाहो देख सकते हो. वीडियोस अवेलेबल है आपके सामने, कभी भी चाहो पढ़ सकते हो. सो यू आर गोइंग टू गेट ऑल्सो एडिशनल इंफॉर्मेशन, additional resources of daily practice problems, assignments, all provided as soft copies for every single topic in this particular course. And of course, a complete test series. पूरा test series आपको मिलेगा that you can attempt from app or Android devices or iOS devices or even desktop. So let's suppose आप कोई भी test attend करना चाहते हैं, तो you will find many tests that are available to you that you can actually go and attend whenever you want. आपके पास freedom रहता है कि कभी भी आप इन tests को attempt कर सकते हो, and you can get an analysis of your performance. So as you can see, this is going to be a complete package, a complete preparation for CSIR-NET and GATE Physics Masterclass. So CSIR-NET जो दिसंबर में होने वाला है and GATE Physics जो फरवरी में होने वाला है. Now you might be asking, sir, इसका प्राइस क्या है? And you might be expecting कि sir is going to say something like 30,000 or 40,000 rupees. ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं है. The price of this particular course is very nominal. 14,990, something that is given the nature of the course is going to be extremely small amount given the value that you are going to receive at the end. Similarly, if I come to the next batch, which is going to start in July 5th, Physics IIT-JAM, JEST, TIFR and M.Sc exams Masterclass, तो जो बच्चे कॉलेज में हैं who are preparing for, let's suppose IIT-JAM, आप कॉलेज में BSc कर रहे हैं, you want to go to IIT for an M.Sc, or you want to go to IIT for M.Sc PhD program, or you want to appear in JEST and go to some research institute like IUCAA or IISER or somewhere and get into an M.Sc PhD program, or you want to go to TIFR, or you want to go to IIC Bangalore, or you want to go to some university, you want to give CUET PG exam. तो उनके लिए we have this particular batch for those students, and you get access to same things like live interactive classes, 500-hour plus that covers the entire syllabus of Physics IIT-JAM as well as the additional topics that are required for TIFR, JEST, etc. So I will be teaching for this particular batch the two subjects of mechanics and modern physics, and we have around 4 to 5 other teachers who are going to be teaching you the other subjects. Extremely qualified, extremely experienced subject matter experts in those areas who are going to be teaching you those papers. तो यहाँ पे ये सारे exams हैं, and again recorded access आपको मिलेगा. सारे live classes जो होंगी regular basis पे उनका recorded access आपको मिल जाएगा every single day, so that if you miss a live class you can look at those recorded lectures. You will get the daily lecture PDFs and soft copies of practice problems, assignments, etc. etc. Complete test series भी आपको मिल जाएगा, and mobile, tablet, desktop support complete. So these two batches starting from June 15 CSIR-NET Masterclass and July 5th IIT-JAM Masterclass, you can attend the first week of these classes trial classes or demo classes for free just by registration. You just have to go to our website and वहाँ पे आपके पास एक registration form है. If you want to attend the CSIR-NET, you fill the registration form for CSIR-NET. If you want to go for IIT-JAM, you fill the registration form for IIT-JAM. और उसके बाद you just give some information, and if you are interested in joining straight away, you can just choose the enroll option. If you choose the enroll option right now, before the batches start, you can get an additional discount of 5%, the early bird discount, अगर आप joining date से पहले join करते हैं. Otherwise, you can choose to attend the demo lectures by joining the demo WhatsApp group. Demo WhatsApp group में first week की सारी classes free रहेंगी. You can attend and then you can decide whether or not you want to continue further. Again, the price of this batch is very less, 13,990, given the amount of hours that you are going to learn from live classes as well as recorded access. It's a very simple, very small amount that you're going to have to pay for this kind of a value that you're going to get. Now, there are many questions that students keep on asking me. आपके माइंड में बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस होंगे. कल मेरे पास एक सवाल आया था, एक स्टूडेंट ने कहा था कि सर सारी क्लासेस लाइव होंगी ना, ऐसा तो नहीं है कि 3-4 सब्जेक्ट पढ़ा के बाकी सारा रिकॉर्डेड हो जाएगा. ऐसा बिल्कुल नहीं है. The entire syllabus will be completed live first, and then every day the recorded access is going to give. Now, of course, this depends upon the tentative dates, because we are planning for CSIR-NET December 2023. तो यूजुअली दिसंबर में नेट के एग्जाम होते हैं. बट लेट्स सपोज अगर हाइपोथेटिकल सिचुएशन, दिसंबर से पहले सितंबर या अक्टूबर में अनाउंसमेंट आ जाता कि तब होने वाला है, तो बेस्ड ऑन दैट अगर सिलेबस तब तक कंप्लीट नहीं होता है तो इन दैट सिचुएशन वी आर गोइंग टू गिव यू रिकॉर्डेड लेक्चर्स. बट एनीवेज, इवन आफ्टर द एग्जामिनेशन वी आर गोइंग टू कंप्लीट द रिमेनिंग टॉपिक्स इन लाइव क्लासेस. तो हम ये मान के चल रहे हैं दैट नेट एग्जामिनेशन इज गोइंग टू हैपन इन दिसंबर, सो वी आर गोइंग टू फिनिश द एंटायर सिलेबस बिफोर दिसंबर इन लाइव क्लासेस. And then you will have access to recorded classes for additional 12 months. You will have access to students discussion group for 12 months. Not additional, but from the date you join this particular batch. And similarly, you have access to all these things for this particular course also. कुछ और सवाल होते हैं. So for example, sir, what about doubts? What if I have doubts? Well, the teachers are already available to you at the tip or at the fingertips. How do you say it? आप उनसे बात कर सकते हैं. क्लासेस के दौरान बात करते तो ज़्यादा अच्छा होता है, क्लियर हो जाता है डाउट. नहीं तो आउटसाइड द क्लास ऑल्सो यू कैन टॉक टू दम, यू कैन मैसेज दम. दे आर अवेलेबल टू यू ऑन व्हाट्सएप टू हेल्प यू विथ योर डाउट्स. इससे ज़्यादा और क्या चाहिए? कोई भी डाउट होता है, यू कैन जस्ट drop a message on our WhatsApp number, drop an email on our contact, or give us a call at this particular number. We are here to share and solve all your doubts. Not share, solve all your doubts. So again, I'm looking forward to these two batches. जिनको CSIR-NET और GATE के लिए पढ़ना है, June 15 से स्टार्ट हो रहा है, और जिनको IIT-JAM के लिए पढ़ना है, July 5th से स्टार्ट हो रहा है. This is going to be a full-fledged 2 special courses that are going to go on in the coming 6 months, 6 to 7 months, तो गेट रेडी. और एक चीज़ मैं और फिर से बोल देता हूँ, ये सब लाइव ऑनलाइन क्लासेस हैं, तो इनको ज्वाइन करने का मतलब है दैट यू आर ऑल्सो मेकिंग अ कमिटमेंट दैट यू आर गोइंग टू स्टडी फॉर द नेक्स्ट 6 मंथ्स. ऐसा नहीं है कि आपने क्लासेस तो ज्वाइन कर लिया बट आप क्लास में आते नहीं हो, टीचर से बात नहीं करते हो, इंटरैक्ट नहीं करते हो, एंड देन यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू गेट द बेनिफिट आउट ऑफ दीज क्लासेस. यू हैव टू बी सीरियस अबाउट इट. यू हैव टू बी सीरियस दैट you are joining a course, so you have to study according to that particular timetable. You have to talk to the teachers and do your homework, do the necessary self study जो चाहिए होता है apart from the classes, attend the tests, and also organize your life in such a manner that you are in preparation mode for the next 6 months. You are in preparation mode, guys, for the next 6 months. अगर आपको ये एग्जाम्स क्रैक करने हैं और अच्छे रैंक के साथ क्रैक करने हैं, then you are in preparation mode, which is very different from just living your life on a day-to-day basis कि हाँ चल रहे बस, ऐसा नहीं है. You are in preparation mode, so you have to work hard, you have to attend the classes, you have to do the homeworks, you have to give the tests, you have to listen to your teachers, and then you will of course crack these examinations. इतने मुश्किल नहीं है. It's just that the syllabus is very vast, and physics as a subject is takes time to develop a certain kind of perfection. Alright, first week of classes are free upon registration if you want to attend them. If you just want to join straight away, 5% early bird discount coupon is available for both these two batches. Just go to our website elevateclasses.in, www.elevateclasses.in, fill the registration form and we will see you there. Thank you very much. This is For the Love of Physics. I am Divya Jyoti Das और अगले वीडियो में मिलते हैं. Thank you so much. Bye.